Introducing Google Sheet Connector for Divi Forms. By GSheetConnector, the most powerful bridge between Divi Forms and Google Sheets. Divi is a best-selling multi-purpose WordPress theme from Elegant Themes. It is known for its flexibility and ease of use. If you have designed your forms through Divi Forms and are required to get the form submissions into the Google Sheet, then this add-on plugin is for you. Simply, you need to authenticate with Google. Along with Google Drive and Google Sheet permissions, after successful authentication, it will show connected, and your connected email address will be shown. Then let's configure Google Sheet Feeds tab and click on Add a new feed. Name the feed and select the form you want to connect with Google Sheet. Then edit the feed and click to fetch the fields. And then save the form fields. Then click to fetch sheets. It will help to sync all the spreadsheets form your connected email account. Choose the appropriate sheet from the list, or manually add a Google Sheet details. Now all your form fields will be shown. Select the fields you want in Google Sheets by enabling the toggle. After selecting the required fields, you can rearrange them and rename them. Additionally, you can freeze the header to make it sticky in Google Sheets. You can customize the header with background colors for odd even rows, and sort sheets in ascending or descending order. That's it. Click Submit Data, and all selected fields will automatically appear in Google Sheets. Now, whenever the form will be filled, the submissions will be shown in this sheet automatically in a real time. Let's fill the form now and test to see how it works. You can see the form submissions in the sheet. Now it works automatically for all the form submissions. If you have form entries in the sheet, then you can sync all past form entries to the sheet by clicking on Sync All Submissions. This will be shown after saving the settings. Divi Forms. Google Sheet Connector is available to download, and already thousands of people are using it. Let's start using